Waalaikumsalam. Siapa yang error, Mbak?
Mboten niki HP-ne kula sing error, Pak.
Oh, tak pikir orangnya yang error.
Error nggak punya duit.
Oh. Gimana, Mbak?
Pripun? Pripun nggih, Pak nggih kula ampun X.
Rex mana, Mbak?
Namiku Singapura seganu.
Umurnya sampean berapa?
45.
Kok suaranya kok ketok wis koyo tuwek, Mbak?
Ampun tuwek.
45 iki asline gurung tuwek, tapi kok ketoke wis tuwek. Ex Singapura sampean berarti bahasa Inggris oke ya?
Nggih, kula saged insyaallah.
Speak in English is okay ya. What is your what are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I'm washing clothes.
Wow. You closing the clothes?
Yes.
And you how many years in Singapore?
How many years? How long? That is
Yes.
two second time. First time is Chinese family, and the second time is Australian.
Oh, nice. How long?
Yes.
How long? 1 year,
How
2 years,
long?
3 years, 4 years?
4 years niku family Chinese.
Oh, totally. You just say in totally how many years or how long you stay in Singapore?
How long? Like maybe 3 contract.
Yes, how many
6
years?
6 years.
6
6
years.
years.
Oh, you are 6
Yes.
years in Singapore. Before in Singapore,
Yes.
where are you? The work? Where are you
In
working?
Paya Lebar, near Paya Lebar.
Oh no. The other country. Beside
The other
in Singapore,
country?
the other country. Maybe Taiwan, maybe other Hong Kong, maybe
No.
Saudi, maybe. Only.
Sorry. Yes, we go Malaysia, but with employer. They are moving house to other country. And Thailand, Bangkok are moving because my boss is change the working is HID apa ya pengantar barang itu loh.
Delivery of the goods.
Delivery, yes. That in Bangkok is almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
But with my employer, not me, not I'm go work like TKI in Bangkok or like that. No.
Oh, okay. Are you strong?
Yes.
Are you now strong enough to go to the work? Inshallah. Nice. Because Hong Kong is very rude. Hong Kong is very trouble. But are you ready if you want to go to Hong Kong?
Inshallah.
So?
Hope I can do it.
Wow. Because in Hong Kong, not just only you have like ability like cooking, like cleaning, just only like that. But in Hong Kong, need to strong enough about the physically and mentally. You are ready because Hong Kong people is different with Singapore people.
Yes,
You
I
understand?
see. Yes, I understand.
And then you have you look or watching my YouTube channel or other channel from the Hong Kong? The tell story
No,
about
I'm
the tell story about employee.
No,
You didn't see? You didn't see?
I can't do it to website or I can't.
Didn't see? You didn't see? Maybe better
No,
you.
I did not see.
Yeah, maybe you try to look or watching our channel, the name channel of Sandro Jabrik, and the other channel
Sandro
Jabrik,
and
then the other channel is Uni TKW Hong Kong.
Okay. Maybe my sister can help me, maybe because I can't open it. Your website.
No.
Do it.
YouTube channel.
Do.
No, YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel, not website. This is a YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube.
Yes, of course.
In YouTube. Okay.
So
maybe
you can.
My husband can do it.
Yeah, you can learn about that content. You can see
Okay.
how to be managed to the employee, because so many and a lot of story about the housekeeper from Indonesia go to the Hong Kong.
Yes, problem, right?
Yeah. I think you understand.
So many problems.
Yes, I think I'm very sure you can work in Hong Kong. I'm very sure. But
Inshallah.
yeah, but the question is,
yes,
your age is 45, the first one, and
yes.
then the second one,
yes.
the second,
yes.
the employee in Hong Kong need to be strong enough, like still young, 30, maybe 28, maybe 35 or 36. But I don't.
Under 30.
Yeah, and I don't want
Under
to.
30 or
Yeah. I don't want to be lose your hope. I'm still give you a chance, and then I will send some draft or form.
Yes.
You can write
Yes.
in my WhatsApp, in your WhatsApp, and then you can send me, and then the picture, your picture with the very full of smile. You can take the picture,
Alright.
maybe half of body up, maybe the body full is no problem, but a half of body is no problem.
Yes.
With the full of smile.
Alright.
But you still.
For biodata.
Yeah. The biodata. So I think
Alright.
your language is okay, and I hope.
Okay, thank you.
I hope you have a opportunity, and then
Yes.
the lucky, and so many is there in Hong Kong want to you to make a housekeeper in their home. I think this is very nice.
Okay. I hope that God help me.
Yeah. Your English is very good, I think.
Thank you.
For 45 old, you still in okay in English. I think if you have a neighbor senior high school or junior high school, I think the English is not to be good better than you, I think.
Because I live with about 6 years with Australian family.
But about the writing, you understand too. But the writing.
The writing, some I can understand, but it's like business like that, I can't understand it.
But it's if speaking and then talk, you understand
yes.
what they are saying.
Communication
Communication is okay.
Inside the house can.
Oh, it's nice. So very nice, I think. Okay, I am very appreciate. And then I want.
Thank you.
And then I want to try.
Maybe English family, I'm happy, very happy if I've got some employer like that in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Maybe find a housemate.
But yes, I know. But you don't expect in the good condition, yeah. But you must ready in the bad condition, because I think it's everything about the mentally. If you have a good of mentally and not to be down very fast, and then you still learning, I think the employee will be like you, work in their home.
Slow.
Yes, I think like that.
Yes.
Wah, luar biasa. Terima kasih ya, bahasa Inggris.
Terima kasih kembali.
Bahasa Inggrisnya sampean mantap, meskipun tua. It's okay ya, nanti saya kirimkan biodata. Jadi
Okay.
saya pikir ini layak diperjuangkan. Jadi saya coba perjuangkan, tapi sekali lagi saya nggak akan pernah janji. I cannot promise, but I still
Okay.
try to give you opportunity go to the Hong Kong,
Yeah.
and then we can meet each other and then make a content in YouTube.
Alright. Semoga Mr. Pak Sandro bisa membantu saya.
Ya kita berusaha untuk membantu ya. Sekali lagi rezeki, jodoh, maut semuanya Allah yang atur, dan mudah-mudahan sampean dapat sampean dapat rezekinya di Hong Kong dan bisa ketemu dengan kita.
Amin.
Kita diskusi lebih banyak. Saya appreciate ya, semangatnya sampean luar biasa, dan mudah-mudahan bisa yang nonton konten saya ini lebih semangat bahwa usia itu tidak membuat kita menjadi patah semangat ya. Luar biasa loh. Oke. Siap, nanti saya kirimkan
biodata sekolah anak-anak.
Ya, saya kirim biodata, nanti Ibu tinggal isi. Setelah itu ada foto di bawahnya, mohon disertakan juga. Selanjutnya kita lihat apakah Allah masih memberikan izin sampean untuk berangkat ke Hong Kong. Oke. Mantap, ada lagi yang mau ditanyain? Any question for me?
For now,
enough.
Thank you very much for informationnya.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Oke, sehat selalu Bu ya. Wassalamualaikum
amin.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi.
Luar biasa ya teman-teman. Dia pinter banget ya. Menurut aku ya, pinter dalam penguasaan bahasa itu oke, ini layak kita perjuangkan. Jadi buat teman-teman semuanya, ini adalah salah satu konten saya yang saya harapkan juga memberikan dorongan dan motivasi setelah semangat buat teman-teman semuanya, bahwa berbahasa Inggris itu bisa kita pelajari di mana saja dan dengan siapa saja. Terlepas itu kita sesama orang Indonesia, saya tetap ingin menjadi long life learner, jadi pembelajar seumur hidup. Jadi saya selalu ingin menjadi pembelajar dan selalu belajar selama dan sepanjang umur hidup saya. Itu pun saya berharap buat teman-teman semuanya. Sekali lagi terima kasih yang sudah menonton konten ini. Mudah-mudahan menginspirasi, mudah-mudahan memberikan semangat, memberikan motivasi buat kalian semua untuk terus belajar dan jangan pernah berhenti belajar. Karena berhenti belajar itu memulai kebodohan.